Hi, this is Gary at Waterfield Designs, and today I'd like to introduce you to our beautifully clean and lightweight Vitesse Messenger Bag. You know, a messenger bag has a lot of advantages. It has a huge opening on the top so you can quickly access your gear, and the storage space is highly flexible so you can carry a wide variety of gear and packages. I spent a couple of years as a bicycle messenger in Boston and Cambridge, so I know firsthand that our messenger bags weren't just bags that held packages. These were part of us. We lived out of our bags. They held the packages we delivered to make a living, but also our food, clothing for when the weather turned, our bike locks, money, two-way radio. Our life was in this bag. My messenger bag was such a part of me, I didn't want to let go. The reason our messenger bags work so well was not because of the added features built into them. They worked because of how clean and simple they were. They did a few things and they did them really well. So many messenger bags these days are thick and overbuilt with pockets within pockets, and you know, I get exhausted just thinking about where my stuff is. So we set out to create a classic messenger bag that's clean, simple, easy to access with a beautiful aesthetic that works equally well for walking, cycling, weekend errands, or commuting. Here on the front, the outside weatherproof pocket can be accessed from either side and without having to lift or open the flap. Inside is a soft, scratch-free phone pocket, angled and easy to grab, and it fits jumbo phones and small phones too. The key is that it keeps your phone separate from the other gear in your front pocket. The flap is secured shut with two metal buckles. You can hear them lock shut and then just squeeze to open. And the buckle is adjustable depending on how much gear you have in your messenger bag. Inside are 3 deep hand pockets to keep your small gear organized and quickly accessible. Along the back side is a pocket large enough to easily fit a laptop sleeve. On top and toward the back is a leather grab handle so you can carry it like a brief, and it stays flush when not in use. The Vitesse is available in 2 great canvas colors, brown and navy blue. This is our beautiful Vitesse Messenger Bag. Clean, simple, easy to use. The wax canvas ages nicely and just gets better looking with time, and they're available today from sfbags.com. Thanks for watching.